2018. Vincent Sansaloni here again this week. We're back to that account that we've been working on it for 5 weeks. If you go right up here, 100295514 USGFX live account. Normally I start with the chart. You can actually see it trading. It's around 11 o'clock right now, a little early, but I'm going to be going out, so I'm going to see if we can figure this out for us right now. Oh yeah, if we hit this here, we should have the account. There it is. Let's shrink this a little bit more for you. Okay, know your broker. That's how we always start. Scam broker, fraud broker, after any company, abc.com or abcforex.com, scam broker, fraud broker, every complaint that's ever been issued against these brokers will come up, especially if they've had problems giving clients their money back or basically ignoring clients, which we try to avoid. It's hard enough to make money in this markets, the Forex market. The last thing you want is somebody to steal your money. Okay, I've got a number of different programs that I started promoting and doing. I developed 2 of them myself. I'll start with those first. And while I'm doing that, you guys can keep an eye on this account. Up here, it's $1,000. And you can see the dates along this side here. So you can see that we got it at the end of May. And it's now the middle of July. So in 6 weeks, I'll go a little slower because I think some guys want to add up all of these numbers over here on the side to see if I'm doing something wrong. But that's fine. Everything is complete transparency. We're not hiding anything from you. This is a live account with live results. There we go. We go all the way down, and as you can see, he had a deposit of $1,000. He now has 928. He is now only out $71. I believe by Tuesday, Wednesday, I will have what I promised him. I said I could get him his money back plus $200 to $300. Actually, I said I'll give him an extra $300 in the account, and I think he's going to let us continue working with his account. He's very impressed. Thank God he at least had a decent broker, USGFX. The money manager that was looking after this destroyed the account. Anyway, I get messages coming in across my screen. I don't know how to stop all of this. One of the programs that we started is called Paid to Trade program. I will be paying you to trade your own account $10 per lot. And if you're trading smaller lots, respectively the same. So if you're trading a 0.10 lot, you will get $1 a lot. If you're trading a 0.05, it's 50 cents a lot. At the end of the month, USGFX gives you a monthly statement, and it shows how many lots you've traded. I will be paying on that number. They must be closed trades. There's only one restriction. If you're in that program with me and I'm paying you and sending you out money every month, and in Canada it's easy because we can do an e-transfer, and if you live in another country I might have to use PayPal or NetTeller or wire transfer. I will not be paying those fees. I will be giving you US dollars for trades that you're doing in your account, but I cannot cover the fees. That's going to be your responsibility. That's why we are going to use something like NetTeller, which is 1%, which is nothing. The other thing too, I cannot manage your account and pay you while I'm managing your account. There's a problem there. So it's going to be either or, and you can switch between the programs. So if I'm paying you to trade, that's fine. I cannot manage your account. I can send you singles if you want to use my singles. You can use Viconia with the USGFX, another good program for generating singles that generates about an 85% hit ratio. It's very good. Sometimes I use it. And the other, I guess, program I'm putting together, it's called the Big Lot program, where you're trading 1, 2, 5, 10 lots. We will only trade 12 trades a month with that program, and I will only be trading, if you're interested in that program, we will only be trading Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Those are the most liquid and active days in the market. We will not be trading on a Sunday or Monday. We will not be trading on a Friday. We will be trading the most active time of the day, and normally it's going to be London hours when we're trading those lot sizes. With the paid program, paid to trade program that I developed, there is no restrictions other than I cannot manage your account and pay you. It's one or the other, or you switch back and forth. With that program, when I say no restrictions, you can trade 20 lots, 100 lots. I will pay you for those trades. And there's no minimum and there's no maximum. It's up to you. You can do whatever you want with that program and you will be paid. You'll be paid at the end of the month on closed trades. I charge 50% on profits on a managed account. I expect to be paid at the end of the month. If I do not get paid at the end of the month, it's not really a big deal. You just leave. You can stay with USGFX, but I will not be trading your account. If you want to stay in the paid program, that's not a problem either, but I will not be managing your account. Let's see. Put scam broker. I think we talked about that real quick. Scam broker after any company name. It's harder for them to change the company name, so any information, bad information will come up. Every broker has complaints, but what you're looking for in a broker is that you can get your money out. With USGFX, you can get it out in a day. Maximum, I think it takes is 3 days. You don't want to run into trouble where the customer service doesn't exist. They don't want to talk to you, and next thing you know, your money's gone and there's no way for you to get it. I'd give you brokers' names, but the problem with that is a broker can change his name very, very quickly. If you're dealing with brokers, I like to deal with people that are in countries like Canada, United States, London, England, Australia, where they have a very strong exchange commission, a Securities and Exchange Commission. So if you have a complaint, you have some place to go. You can write a letter, you can send an email, and they will be on top of it. You don't want to be in some country like Greece and trying to get your money out of a company that doesn't want to pay you. Let's see, I write so many things down and I forget half of the stuff I want to talk to you guys about when I start this thing. Okay, so we talked about scam broker like we always do. It's July 13th, 2018. The big lot program, that's going to be really, really interesting. The pay to trade I developed myself. It's starting to take off. Let's see what else. I guess that's it for now. You can see here, the number here is shrinking. The number here is increasing. He's very happy with us. If you go to YouTube or Facebook under Vincent's Accurate Forex Singles, you will see the previous videos to this one. I think there's 5, and where the account was, I think the account last week was $7.99 here. And I don't remember 200. I think he was down $200 or $300 over here, and he was even worse off when we first got the account until we started cleaning it up. He was getting his singles from a single provider that was charging him. I believe he was telling me he was charging him something like $70 a month, and the singles were just useless. The account got destroyed, and then the guy says he'll trade the account for him, and even made it worse. And that's when he just told him to stop. Thank God he had $300 left in the account. With $300, you can still work the account, as you see that's happening. If you want to send me an email, it's Vincent32767 at gmail.com. That's Vincent32767 at gmail.com. Follow the links on where you found me or where you're seeing these YouTubes. I think every one of my ads has a website connection and has a what do you call it, an email connection if you need to send me an email. Have a great day, have a good weekend, and hopefully next time we come and you see this this video, this number here should be at $1,200 to $1,300, and hopefully that will be by next week. Let's see if I can figure this out again. And we turn it off here. Nope, here. Nope, here.